teacher.
Are you ready to learn today?
Yes! Me in!
Hello, class. Are you ready to sing?
Yes! We're ready!
Wonderful. Let's all sing together now.
A is for antelope. Watch it run. Remember, A for antelope.
B is for bison. It's a very strong animal. Look how big and powerful it is.
Wow!
C for crocodile. This green crocodile rests near the shining river.
Wow!
The classroom feels adventurous and exciting. All right, class. D is for dragon lizard.
A dragon lizard?
Yes, watch it on the board. E for elephant.
Happily spraying water.
All right, class, look at the board. It says F for fox.
Wow! Fox!
All right, class, G's for in the forest.
My bro.
See? Gorillas have strong family love.
H for hippopotamus. Let's visit the jungle. See the hippo relax? Cool!
Okay, class, today we're learning about the letter I.
I for iguana.
And here is a real iguana. J for jaguar.
J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. Let's hop into the jungle.
I'm a proud kangaroo hopping with my baby.
L is for lion.
Roar!
What a roar! L is for lion.
Yay!
Okay, class, today is letter
M.
moose. Let's see.
Moo!
N for Nyala.
Nyala.
Let's see one now. O for orangutan. Today is P for panther.
Wow!
Yes, watch it move in the shadows. Q is for quokka.
Wow!
See it smile? Quokkas are very friendly.
Yay, so cute!
R for rhinoceros.
Wow.
Let's see one. Okay, everyone, S is for sloth. Deep in the lush green jungle, the slow and gentle sloth hangs peacefully. T for tiger.
Tiger!
Yes, a big tiger running in the jungle. U for urial. A strong urial climbs rocky hills confidently. V for vervet monkey.
Wow, a monkey!
Let's see it in the jungle.
Yay, so cool!
Okay, class. W for wild boar. See the wild boar running? X for cirrus. A small cirrus running in the jungle. And see the tree and flower? Y is for yak. Look at the board. A large yak walks calmly in the jungle, past trees and flowers. Z for zebra. A zebra runs freely across the open jungle field.
Ooh, Z for zebra!
Okay, class, I am coming up next class.
Yay!
Great! Get ready for some fun.
Okay!